Trump calls SCOTUS decision in voting rights case a big win for equal protection. From the PEP Radio Newsroom, we have this news. President Donald Trump reacted to Wednesday's Supreme Court decision weakening Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act, calling the 6-3 ruling a big win for equal protection. It, meaning the decision, returns the Voting Rights Act to its original intent, which was to protect against intentional racial discrimination. In other words, this favors white folks over black folks. Thank you to brilliant Justice Samuel Alito for authoring this important opinion Trump wrote on Truth Social Wednesday afternoon. Of course, joining the majority was Justice Uncle Ruckus, who I'm sure was just thrilled that black people wouldn't be allowed to vote. Of course, he's looking forward to the repeal of Loving v. Virginia, which would mean the marriage to his wife Ginny would be null. The court's conservatives, the 6 justices, ruled that Louisiana's majority, black 6th congressional district, relied too heavily on race and amounted to an unconstitutional gerrymander, as Justice Samuel Alito wrote in his majority opinion. The effects of the ruling will likely not be felt until the 2028 election, as most of the filing deadlines for this year's midterm elections have already passed. However, the ruling paves the way for redistricting nationwide and could help Republican efforts to control the House of Representatives. Writing for the court's 3 liberal justices in her dissent, Justice Elena Kagan said the court's decision will set back the foundational right Congress granted of racial equality and electoral opportunity. That's what we know for now. From the PEP Radio Newsroom, I'm David Moore.